name listed in the Chronicle?
No, because it's level.
Oh. And then when you're ready, go large.
And the top 10 for novice for a while, but 166.
Huh. Good. Stay right there. And then straight ahead. Outside shoulder back. Slow down. And then across the diagonal, counter canter. Good. Balance, balance, slow. Good. Hold your left leg. Hold your left leg. Step more to the right. Stay balanced. Easy. Good. Stay over to the right. Follow through with your left rein. Good. Right there. Relax the base of the neck and give your elbows. Whoopsie. It's all right. Ho, 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 ho. Don't let her get tight in her neck. Keep your lower leg on her. Don't let her get strong. More lower leg. On the spot. Easy. Give. Easy. Close your leg. Outside shoulder back. Right there. Short. Hang on one second. Okay, you're good. Out a little higher in the neck from that outside rein. Good. Outside rein. And then pick up your counter canter. Flex right. Now steady. Good. And then back to trot. Slow. Slow. Stay there. Now ho.
What?
Maybe they'll start to move up.
Quiet your hands.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's it. Very good. Now slow from your seat. Now give your hands forward. Good. Now slow from your seat. And then give your hands forward. Relax her body. There, you like that. How's that feel? And then a serpentine of 3 loops. Keeping her neck out. Stepping into your inside heel. Bring the shoulder. Bring it off of your right. Easy. Good. Keeping the right. Neck out a little more. Right there. And hold the left. Excellent. And then hold the right shoulder. Rita. Yeah. Very nice. Now straight ahead. How are you? Good. Push the nose out. And a little higher in the neck and out again. Again, a little higher with the right rein. And then a little out and back down the long side. Stretch up and out. And
Wow.
back. Outside, outside, outside. Giving, giving, giving. Bring her up more from that outside rein. Good. Up more from the outside rein. Because she's got it under the hood. You just can't let her get long and flat.
Yeah.
Okay, and she gets a little bit out behind herself. Right. Right up and out. And then out, lengthening again. Easy, 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 easy. Spider legs. Outside rein.
Okay, they all do the same.
Leg yield in, off of the right, straight, and then out again. And back. Right rein, right bend, left leg. Good, give.
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Good.
And out. And back, and flex right there. Give
Back.
left. Feel that?
But he was fine after. He was absolutely perfect.
And flex right and leg yield in. And out. Good. Easy. Flex right. That's it. So that way you never pull her down into that inside shoulder, okay? Yeah, one more time. Out. Now flex right and left leg on and give left. Well done, Abby. And then a stretchy circle. Good. Good ride. Very good. You know, she's got so much under the hood, we just can't let her get frazzled when she uses it and overuse it.